Welcome to creating realistic eyes in Blender. Hi, I'm Nima and I've been working as a 3D artist in this industry for several years. In this course, we're delving deep into the art of crafting stunningly lifelike eyes. Starting with a detailed exploration of human eye anatomy, we carefully craft each element. From shaping the cornea to modeling two different irises, I'll be your guide leading you through UV unwrapping and texturing techniques that breathe life into your creations. But that's just the beginning. We will add light to the scene, assign material to the object, and create a more realistic scene by adjusting HDRI and adding some note to it. Feeling ambitious? Let's animate those eyes using shape keys. Next, we mirror the eyes in Blender and proceed to rigging. By the end, you'll have to skill to bring eyes to life and tell compelling visual stories. This course is for all levels, so don't worry, I'll explain the steps. Join this immersive experience, unleash your creativity, and let's dive in together.